MarbleTech has been in the granite countertop and flooring business for approximately 25 years. 3 years ago, actually 3.5 years ago, I started with another group of guys to develop a robotic stone processing systems using the same robots that the automotive industry has used for years to automate the granite industry. We use a lot of water to cool our tooling. Every piece of granite has to be cut with a diamond type blade, which needs water to keep the blade cool so that while it's cutting, the tooling doesn't wear out prematurely. So in a daily production here, we're consuming about 120,000 gallons of water in an 8-hour period, of which we recycle 100% of that. The only water that we lose is the water that we lose through natural evaporation. With the 40 to 60,000 pounds of scrap produced here weekly of granite, we haul that ourselves, they crush it, and then it moves on into the cycle for gravel for concrete, for road use, so that it's not being wasted. Nothing's going into the dump. When people come into the showroom to look at the different granites that we offer, they will bring in a simple drawing of their kitchen. All we need to see is a rough sketch of the shape and how long and how wide are your countertops. At that point, we can also start to give layouts, because we have another software that we use that we developed also called Vein Match. We can take the drawings of your job and impose them on the sheets of material in our virtual inventory software, which then will build your kitchen according to where we put your kitchen parts on the sheet of material. We found that the customer base has actually been ecstatic with this development because of not knowing what it will look like after it's done. When you're looking at a 6-foot by 10-foot sheet of granite, it's very difficult for a consumer to realize how it's going to look in their house, seeing that they're in a factory looking at a big sheet of stone. So we've developed the software to the point where the customer gets to see just what it'll look like before we cut anything.